Hello everyone, welcome to my channel again. Today I'm going to make my chicken casserole with asparagus. Okay, this is the ingredients that I'm going to use. Alright, we'll put it up together. Okay, first you have to cut the asparagus. Just remove the hard part. Oh, my dill is bad. I have just a little bit late today to cook. Because I was taking care of other stuff. Okay, that would be it. Okay, first we need to mix all the ingredients here with the milk, together the milk. This is the what's it called, that whipped cream. Just a sour cream, just 2 tablespoons of sour cream. Okay, you already added salt and also white pepper, garlic, chicken powder, and onions. Just mix it well. Make sure also the yogurt, the sour cream will mix it up. Well, anyway, if we going to bake them already, that one will gone. That all got melted. So now we're gonna put the chicken here. Make sure the chicken is dry, because if it's not, it's gonna be a lot of sauce, because we have a lot of sauce right there. I like my casserole a lot of sauce. Well, I'm gonna put the asparagus first in the bottom. There. Then you place the chicken. This is a tenderloin. once again. I like tenderloin because it's so soft. There you go. Now we're gonna put all that there. Don't worry, that one will gone. That is the sour cream. And that's the onions. Okay. We're gonna add the Parmesan. Now finish off this leftover. Add more. This is good for holidays, Christmas, New Year's Eve, Thanksgiving. Yes, Dota.
Hi.
Hello. There you go. Alright guys, so it's my chicken casserole and asparagus. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and like the video. Okie dokie. See ya next time. Alright, let's try my chicken. I like the casserole have sauce. Yummy. Very yummy. Mmm. It's so good. Very good. The chicken is so tender.